Hey guys, what's going on? This is Michael Jones coming up with a new video for you guys. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money just receiving text messages. I know, guys, it sounds really easy. And guys, if you feel like I deserve a like and a sub, guys, please like and sub to the channel right now because I'm going to give you some values. And I know a lot of you from my mentorship program have been asking me, hey, Michael, can you do some videos online where you're going to show us where we can make money just for free? So this is what I'm doing the channel for, guys. So I'm going to give you guys a lot of value from this channel. Please, guys, feel free to hit the like button and the share button right now. And guys, the first website you're going to want to go to is mcmoneyapp.com. This is it, guys. This is the website. Basically, the way it works, you're gonna download an app to your phone, and then you're gonna install it, and then you're gonna put your number, and then you're gonna receive text messages. And guys, just as a disclaimer before this video, I want to emphasize that this is not gonna make you rich. It's not gonna make you $100,000 a month or $1 million per year. This is just gonna be a side income where you can make some money, paying some bills, buy some groceries. Basically, the way it works is every time they're gonna send you a text message, you're gonna get about 50 cents. I know you guys may be saying that's not a lot of money, but think about it this way, guys. I know a lot of you guys are testing your friends every day, your boyfriend and girlfriend, and you're not even making any money doing that. Now think about it. If you just put your phone there, and even if you're using your phone, you're just gonna get a text messages, and then you're just gonna make money. You're just gonna make money from it easily and for free as well. So guys, it's gonna make you about $200 to $300 a month. And I know a lot of you guys might be saying this is not a lot of money, guys, but when I was studying the internet marketing, if I had a way where I could make $200 a month just by receiving a message to my phone, believe me, guys, that would have helped me a lot because I was in a tough situation. But eventually, guys, you guys can do it because it's for free, and you don't even have to reply to the text messages. And you might be saying, oh my cool, $200 a month, that's not a lot of money. If you guys want to take it to the next level, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can make 6 figures a month. You guys don't have to click on it. I just want you guys to be aware that it's here. If you guys want to take it to the next level where you guys can leave your 9 to 5 job, take vacation whenever you want, retire your parents, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. While you're doing this to make money for free, receiving text messages, you can also take it to the next level. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Guys, this is it. This is what you can do. Download an app, receive text message, and start making a side income for free online. And guys, if I gave you guys some value, guys, like the video and share it and sub to the channel so I can continue to make more videos.